Previously on. Sup guys, yo, this is the only lipstick I have that literally stains my lips, like, and it's red. Big up Avon. Like, what? But anyway. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna mash up these Popeyes. It's garlic chicken. And these choppy clips is because I have my phone plugged in and it's stupid, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna sign off. I'm gonna go to bed. Marlon's gone to work. He's doing overtime. I swear he's been doing overtime every week. Like, and I wonder if is he really doing overtime or is he doing overtime? You know what I'm saying? It's 2016. You can't trust these ninjas. But anyways, I'm kidding. I don't know any of my mateys if I have mateys. You know? So yeah. So anyways, yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for hanging with me this Friday. And see you guys on Saturday. Good night. Let the bed bugs bite. Especially if you live in Jane and Finch. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Ha! Going on the road. Like my glasses. I'm gonna do my glasses collection, guys. I'm gonna do my glasses collection so you'll know where I got everything from. Mar, say hi. Say hi. Just be good. Just be nice today. I'm gonna play the music. Just say hi.
Hi.
Oh, we're working, you guys. It's happening. It's happening. We're changing. We're changing. We're changing over here.
I don't think so.
Yes, we're changing over here. Because before, a year ago, even a week ago, I couldn't get you to say hi, and now you said hi. So you know what he just got. That's why he's in a good mood. You know what I'm saying? Like Vibes Cartel said, that Uzi have to have the power. You understand? Have to have power. Anyways, bye. I'm gonna listen to music. Bye. Forced to walk somewhere that you didn't want to go. That's my life right now. You guys like my hair? Isn't it so cute? Are those the glasses I wanted, or are those my glasses? Are you sure those look like mine?
These.
But I think I stole them from you. Did you steal them back from me?
No, you always steal. That's the problem with you.
It's not really stealing from you. It's you're my sister. I'm allowed. Well, you could be on camera today. You have an alias. Nobody sees what you really look like. You know? Ready? Hello? Hello, is somebody here? Tiaja, Kashaya. Hi, Beja. Funny! I can put this in the vlog. Yay! You're gonna be my Snapchat feature for the vlog. God, when you drop your soup, look on the tree, look at dumpling, them look so sad. They just look so sad. It's so sad. Rest in peace, soup. Rest in peace.
That's so nasty.
That's very nasty. Yeah, Sean, that's very nasty. You left your soup there. With your, oh God, see there was 3 dumplings, now there's only 1. Somebody ate them.
So gross.
Oh, I thought we were driving. I almost got excited. Oh my God. I wanna walk. Okay. We're walking to buy food. Even though we have a car and we could drive, these shrimpy people don't wanna go nowhere, you know?
You know, afraid to jump off my sidewalk. Stop.
Why? Because I'm recording? No, I'm used to it. It's fine. If I could do it in Jamaica, what makes you think I can't do it here? Miss, we're coming. Okay. I don't have any more storage on my memory card. It's because that story time video is on there for you guys next week. Ha! Well, when I put this, it's gonna be up before I put up this vlog, but you know what I mean. Whatever, I'll still link it in the description box. You can go check that out if you didn't check it out. The first time I got diarrhea, you can check out that story. What? Let's go, man. What's your problem? You're not even in it. I said you're not even in it.
I'm here with you. Why do you need to be walking talking to stupid camera? Talk to me.
Okay. What's up? All right, let's go.
Turn it off.
What's up, guys? I'm home, and I just wanted to show you guys what the best part of my day is. It's when I get to come home and remove my hat. Something. Hello. What the fuck? Oh. Cap on, cap off. Puppy's coming. I don't know what we're gonna do, and Bae is not here and stuff. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, you guys, in a little bit. What's up, guys? Went to mom's. Gonna have a mini barbecue.
Hey.
So what's up, guys? It's still
Barbecue.
What is it, 18th?
I don't know. I think so.
And we at my mama's. We on barbecue.
I think it's the 17th.
No, it's the 18th because tomorrow's the 19th and it's Father's
Oh
Day.
yeah.
Happy early Father's Day to all the dads and the moms who are dads.
Say hi, Marlon. Say hi. Say hi.
Catch mommy, catch mommy. Mommy, say hi.
Mama, say hi.
Mom, say hi. Hi. Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, you say.
For you, sir?
Oh, now you want to say hello again?
Season up good for you?
I don't know if this is not good.
Well, you eat my food, so.
Mmm.
You know your thing, eh?
Chicken.
Chicken! Cleaned and seasoned by Fuffy.
And
Okay, Punchy
Slash.
and Nella.
Punchy and Nella. I'm Punchy.
Open the oven. We're gonna put the chicken in the oven for a little bit to cook for a little bit. Woo! Woo! Spicy.
Every time I say spicy, I think of salad. Coffee, aba, pussy, boa. Hey, out.
Malapi, malapay,
Para 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 para
Stop reading my song. So more extra.
What?
What you say?
What?
Oh my god, I'm gonna set up the tripod just now. Alright. I don't need this one.
Use them over there.
Mom, is it over there? She's trying to long.
Bella 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 buck. Bella 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 buck.
I could turn it on you too, you know, just in case you never know.
Yeah, I know. I've done it. Whoa! Is this the grill man right here? Is that the grill man?
Oh, this is my song. I love this song. It's good now, right? Hey yo. Marlon, please. How many times did you come here and I was at the grill? All last summer. Where? You wish I be a good cook food. Your mother, everybody come and talk about, whoa, the food tastes so nice. Where? Where? I lie. What?
What happened? What happened?
What you say? Yo, he talked to me far. Here, put this on.
He said he seen a hungry dog.
You're an idiot. Put this on for me for 1 second. Hold this for 1 second, man.
I just see a man for I look up.
Well, you wouldn't repeat it. It's your fault. You wouldn't repeat it. Burgers.
That's not the garbage. How many stuff, man?
Hold on.
You still want to deny your hand?
I was thinking I was doing a good job. Like I thought I was like a wicked camera woman. Like what do you mean?
You're just bad man and wicked, that's all.
So you gotta put in your ox.
No, I can't now. Now that I'm recording.
6 by 6 now, yeah, girl.
The proper uku.
Zoe wants a wine.
I have wife, and that's it.
Say a uku bit. Hey. I had to move it a little bit. What?
What? Wait a second. Wait a second, don't take this one.
What mix up?
Do it for the vlog.
Yeah, that's your flag, not mine.
Vlog. That's your vlog. That's your vlog.
Oh, easy. Oh my god! Your vlog is about to
Thank you for participating. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five.
What do you mean?
Give me a peg.
You're on video.
Give me a peg. Give me a peg.
Yo,
Give me a peg. Let's do that for the vlog.
yo, I need to give it
Well, I know. Give me a peg. Give me a peg.
Wait, where can I pick?
A peck on the lips. You lame.
He's such a body
You
wash.
so lame.
Bad boy, yo.
This is the most I've seen. Yo! What are you... It's not even catching all your head. You gotta move out. You gotta be like, I'll be like here.
Hey, yo. Okay, do it. What she did?
No, you should surprise her.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, can I get the flipper?
Huh?
Can I get the flipper?
You guys, this is cooked. You know, like this is cooking. This is what barbecues are supposed to look like. You guys expect barbecue food to look like when you just cook it regular.
See, not even the Foreman grill can give you that.
You mad? Big up my Fort George Fireman grill.
Oh my gosh.
It's not gonna fall. It's connected. It's not gonna fall, you guys. It's not gonna fall.
That would be
Like what?
Red light over here.
that. Nah, but that this light that shine.
Which one?
This one.
If you're this bad man, you're still me gun. Yeah, go and go look for your customers. Oops, sorry. You run with Jesus Christ, me up 24 disciples. Yeah. Yo, man, youngster, yo. Keep on moving, keep on moving. Is it Shabbat? If they are shut up, fire, bomb, boom, 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 shut up, fire, bomb. Shut up, fire, bomb. Yo! Shut up, fire, bomb. Shut up, fire.
I don't listen to this part yet.
Hey, yo, these are my songs in high school. I'm like, yo, madam, youngster, yo.
Watch this.
Come shine the light.
The burn one.
Because it's burnt doesn't mean it's cold.
Of course.
No, it doesn't. It means the fire's too hot.
Come over here.
You're so
Boy, you
considerate.
gotta do that.
You're so considerate.
Hardball.
What the fuck are you doing? Who taught you how to cook?
One of a shark.
Don't worry, it's not just on you,
You know
man.
it's mine, right?
This with the pan now, you see me? Chicken! Chicken! Yo.
It's not my food.
Yo, how far burger this one again?
Mine.
So much in the left.
None.
What do you mean none?
Why do you have
None.
Why do you have it so close to the chicken?
You had two.
Why do you have it so close to the chicken?
You probably have two.
It's all heat. It's the chicken's kind of cooked. It was in the oven.
You probably have two.
Salmonella, I'm not scared of it.
You two.
You're gonna believe Tiffany before you believe me? Eh? As some me know say, as some me know where you lie till you know. As some me know it there. You see me feed your belly all the while. Every day I'm there, me cook for you.
It's one.
Where? 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 You're talking about, ooh, your nice, ooh, yummy mustard burger, double burger. Friggin' Janels. Yo, this is my team. They're so whack.
Yo, I'm hot.
That's another president that me. Every front car, blah, 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 blah. And the money all about. Somebody, they go by.
I hate the fast version.
What? Faster than I run. Run the place.
Call it a so proper like, just in so proper like 50 cans of big bags. And then one of them, like 2016, my pretty profit. I want it. Like, my client, they want it. Be forever bossy, I want it. Like, say, I'm not grow me. I'm here to protect you
I
guys.
lose that.
This guy's a rooster.
I was looking at this guy.
Is this mine?
I guess everybody else has theirs.
I thought I was smoking something.
Oh,
What we need to play for? One piece of chicken leg. You hold in your hand.
who's picking up one though?
Thanks.
What?
Yes? I know it does. I can cook. Tell them it tastes good, right? Yes, it tastes good. Watch her, watch her. Watch her mouth, watch her mouth. Watch it. Watch it. Oh, it doesn't taste bad? Oh, okay. Yes, you did hungry, I know.
Like the taste of smoke.
Yes, of course. You don't need to cook it fully.
Part-time.
Yeah. Part-time.
Part-time, yeah.
You're right about part-time chef. You cook anytime? Hey, barbecue turn up! Oh my god. Yeah, I talk to a lot of crazy people. Yeah, you see guys, I took off my wig? See, I took it off.
What?
That's what happened when me hot, me well hot. That's what happened when it's hot outside and you're hot by the grill. You understand? Chef can't be cute all the time. You see me? But you see my family, the man yam, them
Work
belly
together.
full. Yes, teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork.
Stop!
Not nice, Marley.
That's not nice.
We apologize.
Watch ya.
Mm-hmm.
How it taste, babe? Babe, how does it taste?
Tastes like chicken.
It tastes like good chicken?
It tastes like turkey.
Like chicken in Jamaica?
Tastes like chicken. That tastes like pork.
You're an idiot.
Like a beef.
Does it taste good?
Tastes like chicken. How chicken's supposed to taste?
Sometimes chicken doesn't taste
What do you
good.
mean? It could be
Have you never
salty.
had bad
It could be
chicken?
It could be salty. It could be like undercooked. There could be so much wrong with it. Does it taste good? Does it taste good? Yes or no?
No.
It tastes good because
But-
that's the second
but
piece of
because
chicken.
That's the second piece. It could be more.
Oh shit, so he's
Only
on
one-
the third, eh?
Only one piece of it, you know?
You're right. Missy, you take already. You. Missy, you take already. Missy, you take the mangy one. You did take the maga one, the one that I wanted.
Hey. Hey. We'll take the one I wanted. Yeah.
Yeah, alright, no worries. Don't worry yourself. You soon get all what you want. Me take out my chicken for me yard, yeah? Sorry guys, this tripod thing is just not really working with me.
It's what? It's raw, but you're still eating it because you're.
Yo, are you dumb about it's raw?
Hey, got it. Medium rare.
Where?
Yeah, no,
Medium
no,
where?
no,
Medium where or rare?
WEAR.
Or WHERE?
Yeah, you're right.
Do you want food for home? You want chicken for home?
Well, she was only bringing for herself. So.
Yeah, like
Zoe.
anyways guys, I'm gonna share out our food for later and I'll get back to you guys, okay? Thanks. Are you buying food?
You're not taking your stuff?
I'm following you to the bus stop.
What's that?
Following Puffy to the bus
Why didn't you put it in
stop.
the thing?
What?
In the car.
I'm wondering if it's in there.
Huh?
I'm wondering if it's in there. Come. Before we did.
Bye!
So dumb. Today was very successful.
I didn't even say bye to your mom.
Oh, who cares?
That's not nice.
I know, but it's okay.
No.
She'll understand. She'll know. It's okay. No worries.
No, that's so disrespectful.
Anyway, she said.
No, that's so disrespectful.
My mom
You don't-
said, "Oh, come more often and barbecue." Nigga, is she buying chicken?
No, that's so disrespectful. She
Okay,
made
say
me
bye
leave.
now. Say bye now.
Bye, mom.
Okay, I will
Bye,
show her.
Brian.
Okay, you
It's
just
always
wave
so
to him.
Disrespectful.
How am I disrespectful? She's getting a ride home. You ain't. Okay,
She just legit. She's just like, yeah, okay, let's go.
we ain't got time
Like,
for all of that.
I don't feel like a bye. You
No.
know? That's so disrespectful.
Because when you start texting me about, oh, you're on the train and I gotta stay up to make sure that your ass
No,
gets
you
home,
don't
my
have to stay- you
ass
don't
might
have to
drop
stay up.
asleep. Yes, but no, I
Stay
can't do it.
You don't need to stay. Why would you be?
Yo, my girl, tapping you chat too much. My hand tired, you know? People, my hand tired. Yo, I feel like I had my.
It's like huge.
Yeah, her nipples were popping today. She was like, ooh, I didn't know they
Yo,
still do
I
that
was on the
shit.
subway. I was on the subway and like I caught a picture of myself and my nipples were popping up. I'm like, yo, like what? You guys do that?
You're an idiot.
Whoa, like
I can't believe you just missed the bus, man.
it ain't even that cold. I should just walk down there.
You can't walk straight down. You'd have to walk on the side. Yeah.
That's cross back. So much work. When's the next one coming?
I don't know. I don't even really plan to sit with you.
That's so unfortunate that you're sitting.
Yeah, I know, but I feel like I'm gonna get up just now. You know?
Take this bottle with you so you can throw it away for me, please.
What do I look like to you, a garbage man?
There's no garbage where I'm sitting.
Well,
Like,
hold it until you find a garbage.
that's
I'm pretty
not
sure there's a
nice.
garbage
I
at the
said
station.
please.
I understand you said please, but I
was-
can deny
I
your.
was polite.
But I can deny your request.
You can, but why?
I
would
have
you,
the option to do
Why
that
would you want to deny it when I was?
because
so
I really don't
polite?
feel like carrying any baggage.
But I was so polite about it.
I understand.
Look at
You've
my
been polite
boobs,
about a lot
holy
of
shit.
things.
They're bigger than my head.
Yeah, you have big breasts. You didn't know that? Don't you wash them every day?
I do. But sometimes it does.
Do you have to lift them like over your head to scrub underneath?
It's like, do your boobs hang up?
Do they wobble to and fro to the time in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a condom? Do your ears? Oh, do your boobs hang
What?
I'm like gone to original version.
I'm talking about boobs.
I corrected myself, okay?
Oh, okay.
F off.
It
I
was
can't wait to
good.
go home and eat my chicken. I didn't even taste my chicken yet, guys. Oh, there I am. The bus.
Yay! Let me find my pass now.
So you better hold on for us, okay? We coming on this bus. Bye. Thank you for spending the day with me. Love you. Message me. Oh god. Another very successful day with Fuffy. It was so good to die. So now I'm going back to, it's so funny, I look so pop down because like side of my head is out. My wig is in the car. I have braids. And then I have on gladiators. One is falling down, one is up. And I have on a really cute romper that you guys have already seen before, but it's my clothes, so I can rewear it. I fucking hate gladiators. Like, does anybody know how they stay up? Because mine don't. And it's so fucking annoying. Like, why don't you stay up? I just heard somebody say she's vlogging. At least they know it's a norm in Toronto to vlog. You know? Ooh, Dutch Dreams is closed. No ice cream for tonight. They are closed. You tired, folks? You tired? You tired?
Yeah, that's one.
Of just being on the street. Ready to go home?
That's what we're doing, no?
Want some food?
No.
Okay.
I have to go now. I have to ask me. I won't say that with the pen right now. Slap up your body.
Can you do a video with me?
No.
Just do the boyfriend video with me.
No, I ain't doing no video with you.
But it's not anything foolish.
Listen to me. I'm not into the lifestyle where you all live with.
But it's not anything foolish.
Listen, I never ask you if anything foolish. I just tell you something I do the video lifestyle where you all live.
Okay, but can you just do the one?
No, I not do none. Period. Full stop. Jamaica would say full stop. Love.
You can't do the one?
Full stop.
Marlon, please.
None. Yo, your mom.
Yes. You're not putting this down? Yeah, we can come to the other door. This door, she still has to walk out this door. You're not pulling it down? You're asking us if we're ready?
Oh, that's the thing, right?
You still have the TV on, you're asking us if we're ready?
Okay.
What's wrong with you? You can't talk? Bye.
One word, that's all you said. Something in your voice caused me to turn my head. Your smile just captured me, and you were in my future, far as I could see. Had me from hello, and I felt love start to grow. The moment that I looked into your eyes, you want me. It was over from the start. You completely stole my heart, and now you won't let go. You had me from hello. Inside, I built a wall, and I swore to me I wasn't gonna love again. The last time was the last time I'd let someone in, but you had me from hello, and I felt love start to grow. moment that I looked into your eyes. It was over from the start. You completely stole my heart, and now you won't let go. I never even had a chance, you know. You had me from hello. That's all you said. Something in your voice. You had me from hello. Girl, I've loved you from hello.